Elon Musk just revealed cheap energy. Elon Musk unveiled inexpensive energy for $2.21. In Texas, it may be used steadily for 50 years. Musk is unquestionably a wonder. A smart intellect makes things conceivable that most people can only dream of. Indeed, Elon Musk appealed to the Texas Public Utility Commission last year to sell electricity there, heralding the start of a new era for his firm, Tesla. A year later, Musk truly asserts that he can accomplish it for as cheap as $2.21 per year for the next 50 years. Isn't that insane? To know more, keep watching. Elon Musk emerged as a miracle to aid the people of Texas, which is always plagued by electrical and energy challenges. So, in short, it all started when Texas power outages made daily newspaper headlines, and Elon Musk joined on the bandwagon to declare that he could really give inexpensive energy to Texas inhabitants and assist them in upgrading their power infrastructure. So isn't there something strange about Elon Musk's connection with electricity? Many people are unaware that Tesla, founded by Elon Musk, is a licensed energy supplier. According to an application filed by the California Public Utility Commission, Tesla expected to sell power directly to consumers in August 2021. Though many people are surprised by this game, many others feel it was expected since Tesla always has worked with energy. Because the Texas system was shut off from the rest of the country, there was no way to bring power from nearby states to warm individuals who were stuck in the cold during the dark winters. Instead, the Energy Dependability Council of Texas, or ERCOT, is in charge of administering the whole state system. ERCOT is a nonprofit corporation that regulates the energy flow to more than 25 million Texas homes. Later, it was disclosed that Texas legislators and regulators, such as the Public Utilities Commission or the Texas Railroad Commission, they are supposed to regulate the oil and gas industry, allegedly ignoring or lighten demands to repair and avert additional threats to the state's electric grid. Although power outages have been a big issue in the state in the past, experts have advocated efforts such as weatherproofing power generating turbines as well as buildings with proper insulation and heaters. Despite knowing that this issue received international notice, Elon Musk was particularly vocal about the poor operation and performance of ERCOT. It was obviously concerned about the many power outages that occurred in Texas during the severe winters. However, he acted accordingly and sought to take things into his own hands, as he was not one to sit back and do nothing. The idea came after Tesla began working on a massive battery in Angleton, Texas, near Houston. Through the plan, Tesla hopes to link a 100-megawatt energy storage system to the grid. Texas Monthly First highlighted the application submitted by Tesla Energy Ventures, a wholly owned subsidiary of Tesla. Tesla finally entered the Texas power market, establishing a firm named Tesla Energy Ventures LLC, which requested to be a retail electricity provider rep in August 2021. After the Public Utility Commission of Texas authorized its application in November 2021, Tesla was finally permitted to sell power on the ERCOT grid. Instead of depending entirely on large-scale generation, they had incorporated energy storage capabilities into countless residential solar systems, providing access to distributed generation and a lot of data. Tesla may now purchase power from its own customers and sell it back to the grid. They may also sell electricity during times of power grid supply shortages since they have access to dispersed energy storage technologies such as Tesla Powerwalls. In other words, Elon entered the market with a bang and has been a massive success since that. While it is true that the details of his new firm are yet unknown, it appears that the initial approach is to focus on Tesla's present clients. Tesla has begun selling solar panels, batteries, and automobiles with built-in batteries. When integrated, these pieces may potentially work as a virtual power plant. Tesla is familiar with it. The company currently runs a virtual power station in South Australia. The VPP, or virtual power plant, can work similarly to a real power plant by connecting 50,000 household solar systems to a smart control platform. Tesla is already operating a similar project in South Australia, with an overall generation capacity of 250 megawatts and an energy storage capacity of 650,000 kilowatt hours. By setting up a comparable system in Texas, Tesla would have been capable of storing energy and selling it when power costs were high. When demand is great and there's a crisis, wholesale prices in Texas often reach their peak. Although such statistics may not have an immediate impact, Musk has emphasized that he expects energy to play an important role in Tesla's future. The company's energy segment, which is separate from Texas Venture, told investors last year, "I expect Tesla Energy to be around the same size as Tesla Automotive in the long run." Considering this, Tesla does not find it difficult to perform what it does, particularly delivering power at such low costs. In the last year, Tesla has been active in the power business, although they have dodged direct electricity sales. Instead, they have focused on providing behind-the-meter solar and storage systems to customers, as well as energy storage solutions for electric utilities. Consumers who already own Tesla products may now purchase power plans through the company. Utilizing the established brand familiarities, Tesla is currently well known in Texas. Tesla's solutions for the home market include solar roof tiles, regular solar panels, and the rapidly growing popularity of the Tesla Powerwall. Tesla consumers routinely utilize their website and smartphone app, which have huge potential. Indeed, Tesla is upgrading battery technology as seen by the latest 4680 cells. According to IEEE, the 4680 cells have 5 times the storage space and 6 times the energy of the 2170 cell. Because the 4680 cell is 5.5 times larger, the energy capacity allows an electric car a 16% longer range. It is critical to understand that Tesla did not invent the 4680 cells. Panasonic and LG are 2 companies that manufacture cells. The tab-free architecture of the 4680 cell has 2 advantages. Since the battery has less electrical resistance, it simplifies manufacturing and reduces the overheating risk. In the future, the cost of new cells per kilowatt-hour of storage capacity might drop by 56%. Isn't that wonderful? Elon Musk is also doing everything he can to turn his concepts into tangible actions and outcomes that will provide Texas with energy at the lowest possible cost. Elon Musk, Tesla's CEO, even relocated to Austin, Texas, where the firm's headquarters have also relocated. Texas has also created a whole new factory there, while SpaceX's Starbase launch complex was already in Texas. Musk has even enticed people to migrate to the Austin, Texas area and apply for jobs with Tesla. He also asks builders to enhance their efforts to improve the housing supply. The Texas power grid is degrading, but more importantly, Tesla has been focusing on alternatives to assist. Texas has now received 81 megapack commercial batteries from Tesla for energy storage. Tesla wants to continue to aid efforts that will also develop domestic storage and solar solutions. In fact, the company is now employing Powerwall batteries and solar roofing for new house construction projects in Austin. That looks to be an even better choice, given that solar panels' maintenance costs are fairly low compared to those connected with traditional power generator techniques. As solar energy doesn't really require fuel, it may produce vast amounts of power while avoiding the risk and expense of maintaining a fuel supply. What Elon Musk works on ought to be amazing in the end. However, conditions for Texas look to be improving, particularly in terms of power generation. Furthermore, it does not appear to be as difficult as it may look for him to offer power for $2.21 per kilowatt hour over the next 50 years. What do you think? Comment below. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.